Hey everyone, welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. Selena here, and today I'm excited to talk about the ECOVACS Goat A3000, a robot lawn mower that's changing the game for yard work. If you're tired of pushing a mower under the hot sun, stick around. This might be the gadget you've been waiting for. Let's dive into the features. The ECOVACS Goat A3000 uses dual-LiDAR technology, which is like giving your lawnmower a 3D brain. It maps your yard with crazy precision, dodging trees, toys, and even your dog's favorite chew toy. It's designed for lawns up to 3/4 of an acre, with a 13-inch cutting width that gets the job done efficiently. The battery is a standout, mowing for up to 2 hours and recharging in just 45 minutes. Plus, it's got a 360-degree LiDAR on top and a forward-facing sensor for obstacle avoidance, so it mows smoothly even in tricky yards with lots of tree cover. You can control it through an app, setting schedules and boundaries, making lawn care as easy as tapping your phone. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the pro side, this thing is reliable and thorough. It mows consistently, leaving your lawn looking sharp without you lifting a finger. The dual LiDAR is a game changer for accuracy, especially if your yard has obstacles or spotty satellite coverage. The fast charging and decent battery life mean it can handle most lawns in one go. And honestly, the convenience of app control feels like living in the future. On the con side, it's not cheap. This is a premium mower with a premium price tag. Some users say setup can take a bit, especially if your yard has complex boundaries. And while it's great for most lawns, super large properties might need something with a longer runtime. So who's this for? If you've got a medium-sized lawn and want to reclaim your weekends, the ECOVACS Goat A3000 is a fantastic choice. The pros, precision, ease of use, and reliability make it worth considering, especially if you value time and a well-kept yard. It's not perfect for everyone, but for the right person, it's a total win. Ready to check it out? Click the link in the description to grab the ECOVACS Goat A3000 on Amazon. At Rick's Review Hub, we've hunted down the best pricing, and there's special promotional pricing available right now, so don't miss out. If you found this review helpful, give us a like, share it with a friend, and hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.